Now in our last video we saw how to create the badge. In this video I am going to teach the edit the badge. So edit the badge, let's go to the badge controller section. Now here also the same code, the create function, we have created the variable course. So we already discussed these things in my last video tutorial. So the same code, I just copy this one, Control C to copy, go to the edit function. Edit function, I am going to paste it over here. Courses, this one, this same code I am going to paste it over here. Now here I have to pass this variable. So compact, this already compact is there, badge, comma, within the single quotation we have to pass it this courses. When you click edit button, the view page is loaded along with the course. The course model, we get these two things, two columns, name and ID, assigned to the course variable. If you pass it here, when the page is loaded, it will load along with the badge and courses. Now let's save all. The same thing what you did in here in the course creation part. The same code we have do it here. Now let's save all. We already saved. Let's refresh it. Now let's click edit button here. It will be loaded successfully. Now you will be able to edit the course. Batch 1 instead of Java, is there any problem? So you have to select, otherwise we have to start date, we have to select the start date. If you want to change the start date, you have to give the different start date, click updated. At this time here the date has been updated successfully, right? Perfect. Now if you want to update the course, select the course, mobile development, updated, it will be updated successfully. So here it will display course ID, not the course name, it not displaying. Instead of the course ID, we will see in my next lecturing how to display the course name. We easily see the course name instead of the course ID. I am going to teach in my next video tutorial. I hope you guys understood so far. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to teach, instead of display course ID, I want to display the course name. So let's back to our project. Here we have to make the relationship. We have to make, go to the models folder, batch. Here we have to make the relationship. I already taught this one. Course, we have a course table, we have ID. This is called as primary key. The course table ID, which is a primary key, the same ID available in the batch table, which called as foreign key. So here in batch table we have to make the relationship. So here, how to make the relationship, we have to get the course related details. So here I am going to make the function, then only we have to get the course related details. So public function, you have to create a function which is a course. You have to create the function which is a course. Inside the function we have to return what you are going to return. You have to return this belongs to belongs to, we have to course, go to the course. Course, right? You have to write like this: course class. Go to the close class, right? So here, what I did here is return this belongs to course class. So we have to get the all the course details in this model. So we have a relationship course and badge, course table, the ID same ID, the same ID available in here in batch table, which called as foreign key. So here we can make the relationship. So here, in order to make the relationship, you have to write the function which is a course. So you have to write here belongs to course. So we have to get the course related details. So if you write the model here, course model, we will be able to access this for all the columns: course name, syllabus, and duration. All the values we will be able to access. Right? Let's save all. Let's save all. Let's save all. Now we have to display where instead of the course ID, I want to get the course name. Now in this model, all the course details should be available. Okay, so this course model, where this function we have to getting all the things. We have to call the model. Course model we have to get it. We made the relationship successfully. Now let's back to our batch view. This is the batch view. Go to the views folder, badges, index.blade.php. Here where we have to display the, instead of the course ID, I need to be display the course name. So how to write the code over here? Here, the for each items. Here we have a this heading course ID. It's a course ID. I want to, instead of the course ID, I have to remove it. I want to display course name. So the item here we have to write course ID should be displayed. Here we have to write, instead of the course ID, you have to write like this. Put one arrow. Here we have to write, I want to display name. Course name I want to display. I want to display name. Right? Course table, I want to display name. Now copy it, save. Let's refresh them. Here, course name will be changed. Okay, here this one should be our object. We have to make the object course, and here this name. So not only name, we have to get all the properties. If you call the model like this, batch model, we have to call like this. You have to get all the things. If you want, what is the field, another field is available. If you want to get the syllabus also, we have to get the same syllabus. You have to get here as well. If you have to display the syllabus also you have to display. Okay, right? You have to join the tables. Okay, so here where the batch. Okay. So instead of the name here, you have to paste it the syllabus. Now you can see all things you have to get it here. Syllabus. Now here the syllabus also display. Okay, this is how we have joined the tables. You have to make the relationship. At the moment we need name only, so we have to change it as a name. Now let's save all. Back here we have to refresh it. Here course name has been changed successfully. Now the same changes I have to do the view part as well. If you click view here also it will be display the course ID. Here also I want to change as a course name. So what I'm going to do is here show.blade.php. So this view part, so show.blade.php. Go to that particular page. This page here also, you go to the, here go to the, so batch ID, name, batch name. Here is a course. Course ID I want to change it as course. Course, batch, Course ID, I'm going to change it as course name. Simple change. That's it. The simple things we have to do it. Course name. You have to change the course name here. Course, arrow, name. This is how we have make the relationship. We have joined the tables. Very simple. It's a very simple. File, save all. Let's back to your project. Let's refresh it. Here it display as a mobile developer. Okay, very simple. Now we are going to add another course, batch 1. This is also Java at this time. I'm going to start the course as at 26 January 2023. Click create. Here Java badge has been created successfully. Here Java badge has been created. If you click view, you will be able to view the course. Let's back. If you want to edit the course, click edit button. Here it's successfully. You will be able to edit the course. Right? If you want to edit the course here or here, successfully here. The selectable course has been selected successfully. It's working perfectly well. It's working perfectly well. If you want to delete the course, if you click delete, the course has been deleted. Confirm delete here. The course has been deleted. Successfully, we have done the batch part. I hope you guys will understand so far. I'll see you in my next lecturing. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we completed the batch section. In this video, I'm going to start with the dashboard. So here, you can see your top right hand corner, we have two links. One is registration, another one is login. Now I'm going to register the new user. So here, click the register button. So I'm going to create the new user as Steve. Here write Steve at gmail.com. Password, I'm going to set the standard password. Character should be 8 characters. Right. Your confirm password. Click register button. Right. If you complete the registration, so here you can see here, this is the Steve. So you have a logout. Okay, you will be able to log out the system. You will be able to log in the system. If you have clicked logout, so here, if you want to log in, you have to type the relevant username and password. Steve. Here the password you have typed. What is the password you gave? Click login. You will be able to log in the system. So here, this is the dashboard. Instead of display this dashboard, I want to log in the my dashboard. Okay, so I have to display the student, teachers, all the sidebars should be displayed. Here we have all your form will be displayed over here. So instead of this dashboard. So here this dashboard, how to generate this dashboard? Let me go back to our project. So here you can go to view section. View section, you can see the your resources folder. You can see the view section. The same resources folder, you can see the another folder which is a JS. You can see the JS folder. Okay, so here all the view folders are reside on this resources folder. Inside the resources folder, we have a separate views folder. Okay, so here another folder which is a JS. This all the JS respective folders are consist of here. So if you click on JS folder, here you can see here these folders. If you click on the component, if you click the component, you can see here this all the files are consist of the extension. Okay, this name dot extension is view. Okay, view is a front end application. Okay, so this front end application. So here all the things are view. You can see here. Okay, these are generated by inertia. Okay, so here action message dot view. So all things are your here. This extension should be view. Okay, so here if you click the view welcome dot view, this welcome.view, this is the page. You can get our dashboard. Welcome.getStream application. So here, if you want to change something else, when you're working with the inertia, so here, welcome getStream application. So instead of that, we have to type welcome to our page. If you make the changes and save all, and if you are refresh it, here the changes not happen. Okay, the problem is this components run as a view. Okay, this components run as a view.js part. So here this how to run this component. So here I already told in inertia generate, when you generate inertia, we have to type the command npm run dev. So after make any changes, you have to type over here. I'm going to get another terminal. Here you type npm run dev. Now only this all the component will be saved. Press enter key on your keyboard. Now you can see here. Now you can see the plugin is working. Okay, that plugin is working here. This plugin is working successfully. Now, if you go and refresh it again, now you can see your changes has been done here. Welcome to our page. Because why we are running another command? Because these all components are loading by view. So that we have to run this npm run dev. We have to type this command, right? So now what you are going to do is, I'm going to this page, instead of displaying this page, I'm going to display as our dashboard, our main dashboard. When the person is logging, we have display as this dashboard. So here this one. So here you type admin student this dashboard. I want to get this dashboard. So how to do the things, we'll see in my next lecture.